Hello everyone, my name is Jermaine Brewer and today I'm going to show you how to add the proper merge field in your email templates using Marketing Cloud Growth and in your campaigns. Because it can be a little tricky. As you go through here, you're going to notice there's a couple of different merge fields you can use to get more personalized to bring in someone's first name. So you got to be careful which one you choose. So here I'm in my email campaign. I've already added a segment, so you definitely need to have a segment added here. Once I go down to my email message, I'll go ahead and select edit. Now you can do it from the preview and test here, but I'm going to show you how you can edit it and preview it in the builder. So we go ahead and select edit. All right, and it's just going to bring up the default template that Salesforce gives you. But let's say I wanted to add a merge field. So let's say in this section right here, I wanted to get more personalized and I wanted to say hello recipient's first name. That way, if it goes to me, it says hello Jermaine, or if it goes to you, it'll say hello, your first name. So I'm going to go ahead and delete what's in here and we'll go ahead and add quick hello. And then we're going to bring in our merge field. So this is your merge field icon right here. Now, if you notice, we have one that's called Unified Individual and we got one that's called Recipient. So if you're used to Salesforce other marketing tool like Pardot, you know normally that you would choose recipient's first name. But in this case, when we're dealing with Marketing Cloud Growth, everything is really based on a unified individual when you are getting ready to add your recipients to your emails and for your segmentations. So let's go ahead and just choose recipient's first name here and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So in here, I'll just go ahead and type in first, and here we go, first name. So normally this is how you would do it, right? Any other tools, normally it's how this works. And then we'll go ahead and just save. And then in the upper right-hand corner, now we can select preview. Because we might want to test our merge field, right? Without having to send the email to ourselves. So if you notice right here, right now, it just says recipient first name. So it still has your merge field in here. But if we choose our segment here, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose my demo segment. Hold on, that was the wrong one. Here we go. And then I'm the only recipient in here. So here's my test record. All right, so you notice up here at the top, we got an error message. It says we can't show this content right now, try again. So now let's go ahead and cancel out of here. And now we're going to go back to our merge field and we're going to delete what we have in there. And this time we're going to select unified individual. Sorry about all the pop-ups. All right, then we're going to search for first name again. All right, we got that in there. I'm trying to get rid of this banner, but that's all right. All right, then we'll go ahead and hit save. Okay, so you notice the merge field is a little bit different now. So right now it says unified individual SSOT underscore first name. All right, so once we save that, we go back to the preview, choose your segment, and then I'll choose my recipient record. And voila, now you have your merge field working. So now it says hello, Jermaine. So that was a little tip there for you because I know it can be a little confusing. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much.